Microsoft released a trailer showing how they're about to release Windows 11. And guess what? This is already on the show. And the good thing with that we are about to run Android apps into one device. And this is what everyone, I'm just excited about that, and brings about a lot of questions whether Android emulator guys will remain in business or not. But that's not why we're here. Will everyone be able to run Windows 11? Well, every device is compatible, and which processor is compatible to Windows 11? And this is what we're going to discuss in this video. Of course, welcome to Strategy, and my name is Scott. One of the few stuffs which are going to limit people is the processor type, because according to the requirements, Windows 11 has that you need 4 GB RAMs, that is 4 gigs of RAM, that is the minimum 4 gigs of RAM, and then at least a minimum of 64 GB storage or a larger. That means on your C drive where you're going to install. As well, you need to be having a TPM, that is Trusted Platform Module. Of course, we are not. That's not why we're here. Of course, what I wanted to discuss with you are the compatible processors. If you want to know your processor, or you want to know about your processor, what you need to do, it's just simple. Go to Display Settings, and then you come over, scroll down, and then you select About. And then you'll be given this page, specifications or device specifications, and you come over to processor. When you look at my processor here, it's Intel R, that is Core TM, then it's i5, and then it is 245M, and others, that is the processor is 2.5. So that is the simplest way of how you can know about your processor. And the other stuff, I would like to show you, because when you check on the main page, they need at least 2 cores. And if you want to know more about the number of cores you're having, all you need to do is to go to your search bar and you type in Device Manager, then you press Enter, and then you come over and come to Processors. Okay, and then you see that your PC is quad core, dual core, pent core, or whatever it is. So mine is that is quad core, 4 processors, and literally in quotes there are 4 processors in quotes. But if you dive into what processors and so on and so forth, it might not round up to all that. Now those are 2 cores, and then on a compatible 64-bit processor, you have a 32-bit system, you might not be able to run Windows 11. Let's click there and see what we really the processors which will be supported by Windows 11. So we need to go back and see the processors which are supported here. So these are Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows. So we come back to Windows 11. Okay. If we first check on the supported AMD processors, because we have AMD processors, Intel processors, and Qualcomm processors. If we check over at AMD processors, we'll see the different versions or the different supported processors that is to do with the Windows 11. Well, you see AMD 3015E, and then AMD 3020, there is Athlon. There are many here, so you feel free to check out. I'll leave the link in the description, the direct links for AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm. I will leave them separated, and then you see all what your processor will go if you check before you try out with anything. However, I don't mind. I will come up with a tutorial on how you install on low-end PCs, so don't mind about that. Of course, everything as a solution. Okay, check out and see. Well, those are all. Then if we go back and check out with the AMD, with the Intel, there are many processors here. There are many processors, but literally when you look at the processors which they are put here, most of the processors are actually they are new PCs or new models. That is around 2012, 2013, around there and then up. So if you have a old Mac PC, well, this thing might not be for you. But of course, there are always ways to go around it. So these are the processors which are here. There is Intel Atom, that is X6200 of FE. Then there is Celeron and its modules which are specified there. There is Core TM, which is the one I'm using, and there is Pentium R, Gold series. There's also Silver series, Xeon, Bronze, Gold, and many other series. So I'll come up with a video on how you can check and directly check and see if your device is supported. So with Microsoft, they came up with a certain software here, but it is still on coming soon about compatibility. Let me see if that option is still there. That option was somewhere here on this site. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let me take you through, and we see that these guys might have removed this option. Microsoft. Okay, so check compatibility, user PC health check up to see if your current PC meets requirements for Windows 10, Windows 11. If so, you can get free upgrade when this tool rolls out. So they never provided the requirement, and it's not yet out. However, I'm going to, I think that's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you that, well, Windows 11 in quotes will run on many different PCs, but it may not run on all different processors. So you should be ready to ask out and check the processor which you have and see if it will be able to run Windows 11. You guys don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our sister channel. Of course, we really need your guys to subscribe to it, because we need to have a lot of subscribers so that we can upload a lot of content for you. Okay, it's so called Scotty Media. Even if you search it, you'll see that that's it. It's having a lot of content, but it was just uploaded for test purposes. So feel free to watch and test out and see if these things will work out for you. But we are intending to upload tutorials on how to make money and do the rest of the things. Okay.